together to listen from our immediate past area toll director, distinguished Toastmaster Dr. Suhas. Sir, the stage is yours.
Thank you, DTM Dilip sir. Today, as VP Education has given me the role of go a travel tale. So what it all means is basically a round robin. So I will start a story and then each one of you will talk for 30 seconds. So let's make it an interesting session. Here we go. It was 13th August. Deep got ready, put water bottle in his backpack, took his walking stick, started for his evening walk. He always preferred to be alone. That was the only time he could be with himself. He always thought that that is the time he must give it for himself. Just 1 kilometer behind his house, there was plateau, and it was natural park with dense forest and many trails going through it. Little steep climb of 100 meters, and then there were trails amidst the thick forest with ups and downs, turns and twists. It was his daily routine to walk for 2 hours and return home. The trails were familiar to him. Usually, there would be many people walking on the trails. Though he never bothered to get acquainted with anyone. That day, he started little late. It was monsoon and sky was cloudy. He was walking along the trail, fully engrossed in his own thoughts, unmindful of the fact that he started late and so there weren't anyone on the trail. He was all alone. He was unaware of the surrounding, the cloudy sky. He was walking at his usual pace. He wasn't giving any attention to where he was going. After walking for 3 kilometers, he stopped to drink water. It was the trifurcation of the trail. He suddenly realized it was very dark. He could not see more than 2 to 3 feet. The only sound was the forest sound, and he was all alone. He drank water to wet his dried mouth and started his return journey. Now he was fully aware of the surrounding. He could hear the rustling sound of wind passing through the thick foliage that was rhythmically pierced by shrill and scary chirping of crickets, cicadas, and grasshoppers. Intermittently, he could hear scraping of peacocks. He was sweating. He was aware that he was all alone. The surrounding was such that he could hear his own footsteps. Suddenly, his attention was focused on some sound. Dub, 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 dub. He stopped. The sound also stopped. He looked back. There was no one except him. He started walking again. He could hear that same sound again. Dub, 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 dub. Now he increased his pace. The frequency of sound also increased. Dub, 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 dub. He was scared. He started running now. I stop here. Now, stage is all yours. We'll start with DTM Deepaji, and then I will take names of each one and we can move on. DTM Deepa, stage is yours. 30 seconds for each one of you.
Dr. Suhas, I started running. It was me only, but I don't know, Dr. Suhas was telling me him. That was a big blunder he was doing. And then when I turned back, I realized that Dr. Suhas was walking behind me slowly, but somehow he was making a big noise. Tup, 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 tup. I was wondering what the DTM Suhas is up to. Then I realized, my God, he was supposed to be in India. He suddenly came to Dubai or what? To follow me? What is happening? Again, I took my water bottle, started sipping. And then Distinguished Toastmaster George continued the story about me.
George, it is over to you.
Thank you very much. And I was just looking here and there, especially supermarket, to get some members for Universal Toastmasters. Suddenly on the side where you find a textile, I found a person who is looking for trousers. Then I realized that is our VP Public Relations. He told that he's looking for a trouser. That is great. And then when I went to the counter, I found our old or immediate past Division C director. And he was trying to buy a comb. I thought, what comb? And then I found the present Division C director and also the past Area 12 director and the current Area 12 director. I have a warning. Your immediate past division government was great and something is growing over his head. Make sure that you don't get that from him, because otherwise you may not be able to buy a comb. And may I request our Don Ashokan to continue with the story.
As soon as I saw the trousers and all the dignitaries of Toastmasters are lying down, and DTM George Thomas is waiting to engross people into nominate into the Universal Storytellers, and I became the victim of that as well, in fact. But perhaps there was a coat seller and the trouser salon. All these days, people were wearing full suit along with suit, ties, and full pant, not the trousers. Now the trend has been changed. The trend is like, the coats are been fully there, but no matter what you wear down, nobody even sees there, in fact. And that's how all the trousers of shorts been listed there. There I see DTM George Mellenden is also searching for the shorts there. Over to you, sir.
Yes, I was very happy to see that all the dignitaries are buying trousers, and then why I cannot buy one more? So I also found one which is very short, that we can say trousers for some time, but it is very useful for me. It is all about our storytelling Toastmasters. Then when I saw all these Don Ashokan and DTM George Thomas and everyone is looking for the members. And he told one trouser will be free for all the members. And I told, okay, I also will take the membership in this club and I will use this opportunity to buy one trouser. Then again, he passed to other person. Then he found a versatile person and he is standing behind me. Then that is none other than Ahmad T. Parambat, who was eagerly waiting for another trouser. Then that time I noticed that Ahmad Parambat was always wearing only coat and top and trouser and down. But today, let me listen from him what he is intention about, all about. Ahmad T. Parambat.
Exactly. Yesterday evening, I was in Carrefour buying a trunk for underwear, brief, you can say, or trunk. Some people may not understand that. And all the trunk boxes had 3 pieces and the price tag. But there was only one piece which has only 2 trunks, 2 briefs only. I don't know why. So I wanted to buy that, and it was very highly priced than the 3 trunk pieces. So I bought that two pieces trunk. I bought at home, and it is very convenient, very useful. In fact, I cannot stop telling you that I am wearing that right at the moment as that new dress code for Universal Toastmasters Club, attending club meetings and installation meetings with a trunk and a jacket or a blazer on top. Over to you. Over to whom? Over to Kapil. over to Kapil, my friend.
Now I know why Toastmaster Ahmed didn't attend our Galaxy session, because he was trying out the trunk and it was not fitting. Then he rushed to the tailor to get it altered also so that it fits and he is comfortable. And now, as I see him on the screen, he's sitting very comfortably with the same trunk. So that is now I know the secret. But which Carrefour did you go? Because I was also at Carrefour Kurum searching for the same set of trunks, but I found only the one single pack one, not the 3-pack one. Over to Uday.
These people out of nowhere, being a storytelling, they changed it to a tall tale. And they went to Carrefour and all this. Come back, you guys. There is a woman who is being followed by a man. You're not bothered about all those things? And you are bothered about the trunks and the briefs and the trousers. Come on, there are ladies in the house. Let's begin. And let's all move ahead with the story. What was happening? The tap, 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 tap sound was increasing. And then it was all going silent. Since there is no R counter, long pause will not be counted, and let's call our Madam Abida.
I knew you were calling me. 100%. That is the synchronicity. The dub, 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 dub sound was not from actually the footstep. It was in my mind. No, it was not in my mind. It was from my heart. It was rather the dub, 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 dub. And I was wondering what was happening. Furthermore, when I walked slowly, I saw a shadow. A shadow. No, it was not a shadow. This had 2 long ears and big, big horns. And as soon as I was about to look behind, it hid behind the bush. Behind the bush? Yes. All types of shadows were following. I was running and they were chasing behind me. Where do I go? I don't see the timer. Where is my timer? Oh my God. Now, something struck me again. Yes, I can see the red. Now, there were many people who were chasing. They were not people actually. They were aliens. I'm going to pass this baton to in-house, I think, DTM or Toastmaster Anand Budhia. Over to you.
Dub, dub, or develop. When we reached near from where noise was coming, DTM George was beating drum. You have done speeches, you have done table topics, but you won't become a champion unless you learn storytelling. So he was beating a drum. Come join storytellers if you want to become a champion. So we all are here. And he also promised whoever joined Toastmaster, he will get a free suit with a gavel and all pockets filled with all evaluation form and all Toastmaster material. So it's a good option to join the Universal Toastmaster, Dub Dub, Dub or Dum Dum. Back to you. Who's left?
Sridhar.
Mr. Sridhar.
Our president has not been called.
Yeah, many are left.
Do I need to continue with the top top? Dum dum?
Yes,
Anything,
also,
anything.
Amazing guys. We started with, somebody walking throughout the tracks, looking for the tracks, and all over a sudden he went to Carrefour to search for a trousers or trunk. Come on, guys. He wasn't doing so. He was wearing lungi. Okay, it's not about. He was wearing the lungi, and what the sound that you are hearing is nothing but his champals. So all this is about searching for the better shoes. So that's why he went to Carrefour. It's not about the trunks or the trousers. He was looking for a proper champal for him. So always look for the best thing to wear while you go to Carrefour. And joining universal storyteller. And stay away from the trunks and temples. Back to you, whoever didn't continue.
Yeah, it is over to guest Anjali Srikumar, if you are there.
We have few more, sir. We have few more.
Yeah. I am aware.
You just are there.
Yes. Finally, hearing the message of Storytellers Toastmasters President, I was actually opening my eyes from the bed. Oh, what I have seen, completed dream? Yes, today is 14th August. It is the time to attend Storyteller Toastmasters meeting. I understood that yesterday when distinguished Toastmaster George Thomas told me about storytellers, a club that is going to be formed and installed. The name, the title of the club itself made me that much fascinated. Yes, this is the club where you can hear a lot of stories. Maybe because of that, these all fictional type of stories came in my dream. I opened my eyes and let the story be continued by the person who is there in the meeting. Or to you, the person who is there too.
Wow. Come on, storytellers. I was trying to teach you all success. You took it away as a story. What is this? Are you serious about success? How many of you believe that success?
You are all salubrious.
The second letter of success never happened without the second letter. So what is the second letter of success? It is you. And you have spoiled the party of success. When with the storytelling, come on, I never expected from you guys like this. See, let us have some fun, but doesn't get carried away all the way with the story and tale, all these blah, blah, blah. But let us focus on success. What about our success now? Story doesn't give you food. Story is for good to listen. Give us some motivational story at least. Tap, trouser. What else? You go with all these things which has no value. Let us focus back to the session and focus on your success path. Back to Dr. Suhas.
Sir, you're muted.
You are muted, sir. You are muted.
Toastmaster Meena and Toastmaster Sridhar. You continue the story, please.
Yeah.
Meena will not say anything because Avadi is there.
Okay.
We will go fight. I don't know about Sridhar.
Sridhar, continue, please.
All I hear, from dub to dreams to trunks to shopping to carry forward, I was wondering, did I miss something to come for this session? Maybe I never slept, nor went for the shopping, and not anyone told me from UST that we need to do all of this to come for this session. That's something which is very, very, very suspicious. Maybe, is this what is required in UST to tell stories? Are all these stories? We come. Let's have and come back to the session. Wake up, Toastmasters, the story is over.
Only distinguished Toastmaster, our today's story, travel story program conductor, sir, is over.
Thank you very much.
Timer has to say. Timer has to say.
Yeah,
Timer and Alexa are left.
Yeah. Okay. You invite them.
Yeah, DTM Alex, please.
Yes.
DTM Alex, sir, if you are there, and Toastmaster Meena.
Nobody wants to go to Carrefour.
Okay, I just want to conclude the story. The sound that I was hearing, it really happened yesterday, and that was this sound. Over to you, DTM Dilip Master.
Wow, give our storyteller a big round of applause. Yeah, it was not a running, it was a flying story. without pause.
Everybody are story makers.
It went on very well. Give him a big round of applause. Not only that, all the